Part 2 of justification. So children, shall we move to the next page? Okay. Does Ra have big or small teeth? Does Ra have big or small teeth? Okay. What is he eating? What is Ra eating in this picture? He's eating something, no? What is he eating? Do you think he likes it? Do you think he likes what he is eating? Okay, next question. Do you like carrots? Do you like carrots? Children, I hope you all are eating vegetables. Okay, they are very important. So, do you like to eat carrot? Why are carrots good for you? Why do you think eating carrot is good for you? You know, children, if you eat carrots and other vegetables, it's going to make you strong. It's not going to let you become sick. And eating carrots is very good for your eyes. Okay, your eyes become very powerful and you don't need glasses. See, I have got glasses and it's not good, huh? So you should eat carrot and you should eat all the other vegetables as well. Okay, good children. Now let's go to the next page. Children, I hope you all are answering, huh? Okay, now next question. What kind of ears does Ra have? What type of ears does Ra have? See, my ears, are they big or are they long or are they short? Look at your ears also and then look at Ra's ears. What kind of ears he has? Okay. Next question. What is he doing under the table? What do you think he's doing under the table? What do you think? Okay, you have to answer that. Next question. Has the girl's mother spotted Ra? Has the girl's mother spotted Ra? Has she found Ra? Spotted means has she found Ra? Okay, let's move to the next page. And the first question on this page. Where do you think the girl is coming from? Where do you think the girl is coming from? Look at the way she's dressed, what she's having with her on her scooter. Where do you think she's coming from? Okay, next question. Is Ra happy to see her? Is Ra happy to see her? See, look at Ra's face. And then you say, is he happy to see her? Why do you think so? Why do you think Ra is happy to see the girl? Okay, now moving to the next page. What is Ra doing in the picture? What is Ra doing in the picture? And why is he doing it? Why is he doing whatever he is doing? Why is he doing it? Okay, next question. What is the girl trying to do? What is the girl trying to do? What does the child feel about Ra? What does she feel about Ra? You see, when you look at this picture, what can you see? How does the girl feel about Ra? Looking at her face, she likes him, she loves him, what? Okay, so you have to answer that. Are you happy when mommy and daddy come home from work? So, when mommy and daddy used to go to office, okay, and they used to come home after office after a long time. So, you used to be happy to see them or you used to be not happy to see them? Okay, so you have to answer that. Now, let's move to the last page of the storybook. Why does the girl say she loves Ra? Why does the girl say that she loves Ra? Okay, next, is it nice to have friends? Children, do you think it is nice to have friends or it is not nice? Should you have friends or should you not have friends? Okay, and the next and the last question is, what do you do with your friends? What do you do with your friends? See, right now you're not meeting your friends, right? You're at home. But when you used to meet your friends, what you used to do? You used to play with them, used to talk to them. What you used to do? You have to answer. Okay? So children, I hope you have answered, tried to answer all the questions, right? So the questions which you were not able to answer, maybe you can try again later. Okay, and I want you to read the book Rather Rabbit. Practice reading every day. You have to every day read your storybook. One day Rather Rabbit, one day Friends Are Special. So you do not forget how to read. Okay, children? So till we meet again, continue reading, continue practicing, and always stay happy. Okay? Bye.